Before we begin this practice, please make sure you have consulted your doctor and are fully able to participate in this meditation exercise. As we prepare to allow ourselves to journey along this path, please make sure you are not driving and are in a quiet space where you can relax your mind. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and allowing your eyes to close. Take notice of your breath and breathe in slowly, taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. As you breathe in and out, allow the thoughts of today to leave with your breath. You start to feel deeply relaxed and more aware of your breathing coming in and going out. Now imagine a place where you are entirely safe, a place where you feel peaceful and calm, a place where you would love to go. The soft waves of the ocean, the twinkling sound of birds, or crackle of a fire. You feel thankful and grateful for your breath and life. There is a sense of expectancy. There is a sense of tranquility, a feeling of self-accomplishment. You have a sense of belonging. I love who I am and believe in myself. I have control of my destiny and happiness. No one can change my destiny except me. I am doing my best right now, but there is even better yet to come. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. I am grateful for all the blessings, and today is going to be a great day. I am improving myself on a daily basis. I have the power to change the direction of my life. I take care of myself with mindfulness and integrity. I am naturally confident and successful. I continue to grow because I believe in myself. I am courageous. I am healthy. I am strong. I am enough. I am happy. I am fulfilled. Okay, now change your focus from inward to outward. Breathe deeply a few times with long inhales and exhales. Gently move your upper body, shoulders, arms, and neck. Rub your hands together to create a tingling sensation and open your eyes.